Hi, I am Karthikeyan Sridhar from GUVI's data science program. My batch code is DW39. I wanted to share my experience with this data science course conducted by GUVI. I came from a background in MBA, which is quite cross corresponding to this data science course. But my journey of data science started from there itself when I'm doing my MBA in Coimbatore. I got an opportunity to explore R programming when I study MBA. Then I just get myself digged into the part of data science and explore some wide range of things, whatever been uncovered in data science. So I just wanted to uh, get a placement in data science, but I'm not able to get into it once after my MBA. So I landed in a job related to MBA, which is a HR domain. So once after that, I don't want to waste my time investing in non-technical field. So I took a decision to explore more things in the data science field. I started off myself uh, digging into it with the help of YouTube videos and several other stuffs in websites like W3 Schools, Stack Overflow, and many other. With the help of that, I am able to learn few things before getting into this course conducted by GUVI. Let me come to the course part. This was quite valuable course in comparison with many curriculum available in the internet. This course is designed in a pure way to get all the insights about the data science, whatever things needs to be uh, cleared for a basic beginner, like Python basics and SQL basics and Tableau basics and everything related to machine learning and data science program. From here, I got an opportunity to get in-depth analysis of how the machine learning algorithms work. The mentors are very much helpful and they always supported me during the course time. And even with the projects, they keep on supporting us and encouraging us to do the projects on time and at good quality. I recommend all my friends and whoever watching this video can definitely join this course and enrich their knowledge with the help of GUVI. Thank you.